Governor Najma Heptullah calls to tap potentials of the youth through skill development. Says India is heading towards becoming world's fastest growing economy. Second State Conference on Campaign for Electoral Reforms in India, CERI, held at Hotel Imphal calls for proportional electoral representation. Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shyamkumar says export of Andhro liquor will start this December. People take out mass rally on unifying our voices for birth conservation in connection with World Migratory Births Day 2018. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar urges private hospitals of the state to stop squeezing money from patients they cannot treat by admitting them to ICU. And kickboxer Yambem Gobind beats existing records of 1-minute knuckle push-up, 3-minute single elbow strike and 30 seconds jumping jack in Guinness World Records attempt. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today stated that Manipur and the region are poised on the threshold of an exciting phase of economic activities under the Act East policy of the central government. She was speaking in the inaugural function of the one-day seminar on skilling the youth in the wake of India's Act East policy from North-East perspective. Integrated Talent Development Mission Blooming Northeast organized the seminar at the Manipur State Assembly Auditorium with an objective to identify and harness the skills of the youths of the state. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah stated that India is heading towards becoming the world's fastest growing economy and is expected to become the youngest country by 2020 with 64% of its population in the working age group. She stressed the need for skill development to tap the potential of the youth. The governor said that Northeast region has the prospects to grow into India's economic powerhouse, considering its lively source of natural resources and the region's boundless tourism prospects, unique performing arts and varied cuisine and handicrafts. She also said that Northeast region urgently needs to take up initiatives for skill training in the fields of railways, highways, logistics and warehousing, cold storage, renewable energy sector, business management and banking and finance with quality training of international standards, state-of-the-art infrastructure in the form of multi-skill training. She said as the trade and commerce is booming in the region due to connectivity with Asia and China, youth of the region need to get skill development training in relevant trades to support the cross-border trade and business. The governor also highlighted various governmental schemes for youth and urged the people to make effective use of the government schemes. Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, scholars, researchers, students of Manipur University and representatives of Integrated Talent Development Mission Blooming Northeast took part in the seminar.
Northeast India, the next big economic corridor connecting India to the ASEAN countries and China. In the light of this development, Northeast states need skill development and ambitious yet meaningful skill development and employment plan for their youth. The skill development, especially in service industries like tourism and hospitality, retail and IT-enabled services can be the thrust area.
The second State Conference on Campaign for Electoral Reforms in India, CERI, was held in the Shanghai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Regional coordinator of the campaign, Dr. M. Nara, asserted that the present electoral system of India is not in sync with the modern times, and hence there is a need for a proportional representation. Speaking to media, Dr. M. Nara maintained that present electoral system is a major factor for the rise in corruption and devaluation of democracy in the country. He said political leaders have been campaigning and pressuring to reform the system. Dr. M. Nara also stated that 21 political parties have supported the campaign initiated by CERI till date and appealed for public support. He also disclosed that a national conference on electoral reform will be held in Delhi this November after meeting with the President of India. Chief functionary of CERI, Jyoti Raj, and many eminent persons of the state attended the conference.
Miyam asigi tangdulita ba punsi ma puruk na bohona bada electoral system si sumthok taba onthok taba yadre haiba movement ama horakhibani voter lising kunthra leiba sida sunagi bol lising taret phongbana sukari lising kulum doina yadaba lising taret khangna yaba mina kari. Is it the real representation? Me lising kulum doi gi vote sina invalid ohoraga only 7,000 voters in a valid oire maramaduna system honorable in the interest of only a few minority represent of government or Bharat APTP system proportionate representation everybody has spoken.
Works and Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit has kicked off the first youth conference of Tingkau Rangwang Chapriak TRC at Ragailong, Imphal today. The Tingkau Rangpang Chapriak Chadian Pom TRCCP organized a two-day conference on the theme Our Roots, Our Strength. Traditional songs and dance performance enthralled the public on the first day of the conference. Speaking in the event, Minister Biswajit lauded the youth for organizing the conference, asserting that only words cannot promote love and trust between different communities of the state. The minister urged all to act to achieve by respecting one another's traditions and strengthening the bond of love. Minister Biswajit also called on the youth to take a significant role in the society to make Manipur grow in each and every field and to keep in mind the teachings of the forefathers in the developmental pace. Delegates from Nagaland and Assam attended the event.
Development every Zagada Laminarakanda, Aquimation, Wakal, the Su development labor, Aquilariba, Lambi Tongi, Oiro, Natraki, life development, Punamakta, balancing development has Lakan, Aquimation, Amaga, Lakani Mashisu, Ramanakananta, Nushinaganu Harakte, otherwise, Mui Wakan, Mui perception, Punamaxina, Tuan Wakalunda, Kalaga, Puhalaga, was a Masi, Aquilariba, modern society, the Sana de Hausiki, Zakot Laba, quick computer is Matamda, a quick walls, a Kamaita, a quick rolled away walls. Kamaitona moved away, other Kamaitona home was say, like every moment have a quick condom in a raga, quick punna, understanding Lenaba, Aduga, quick me, Amana, Apavama, Patabama Harasu, Apavarum the Kalaga, later the equipment Amata, when a Lucinaba Yagane have a chip, but Hazabama, Tamjage.
MLA Andhra and Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shyamkumar has assured of ceasing sale of country liquor distilled in Andhra in the state and to start exporting the same from this December. He was speaking in the inaugural event of Andhra Kunau Nungyungbi Youth Club cum Water Reservoir Tank today. Speaking further in the event held at Andhra Kunau Nungyungbi Youth Club ground, Minister Shyamkumar stated that local clubs and localities play a pivotal role in bringing development in the state. He said that the club was inaugurated today with an aim to divert youth from intoxicants abuse towards sports activities. Highlighting the importance of wildlife, the minister also appeals to conserve environment in view of global climatic change and scarcity of water.
Nahasing ko iba inclay mayam gi simba club ama aji punma mama laiba si mathau tai aduna ne khoi club si thari bam sangari ba ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯤꯁꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯎꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯥꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯥꯟ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯛꯑ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯂꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯈꯪꯉꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯃꯪ ꯀꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ I appeal to media also those migrant also please save the environment.
Manipur People's Democratic Front, in a press release, lauded the judgment of the High Court of Manipur for appointing retired IAS officer Jarnail Singh as administrator of Manipur University. President of Manipur People's Party MPP Oinam Jugindro has stated that even though MPP welcomes retired IAS Jarnail Singh as the administrator of Manipur University, the party desires for a Manipuri vice-chancellor. Accusing both the Congress and the BJP of failing to resolve the month-long Manipur University crisis in its blame games, the party president asked both the parties to take full responsibility for all the recent unwanted course of events in connection with the university crisis. Speaking to media at MPP office near Polo Ground today, Oinam Jugindro maintained that friction between the parties greatly affected both the students and the teachers. He termed the intervention of the judiciary in appointing Jarnail Singh to be the university administrator as an embarrassment for both the central and the state governments.
Center the Paliba BJP government Kaidongweda Congress na tanba demand. Fana chumlagasu political mileage low na bohna Karimakanda Madu Yaningba Kongai Lergasu Japam Thokti in Tamzage. Manipur University as politically free zone winning. Masida koi politics to honinde masida Congress amasung BJP na political mileage lawna to gudu pamde mapandagi lakba miyoisingna administration to wi muhurta Manipur son of the soul of the Manipur dagi thokjaba administrator natraga professor kayana administration to adu university amu heningi habasi MPP dagi thamjage Manipur University crisis thokriba se masida aso ana thokriba amadi satra community de disturb togi punaksi responsible Congress amasung BJP na logo dabani haina MPP na tham.
Secretary of EK Higher Secondary School P. Sharachandra hoped for normalcy in the academic atmosphere of Manipur University under the supervision of Administrator Jarnail Singh. EK Higher Secondary Management Committee convened a meeting for the school's principal, teachers and staff to discuss on various developmental aspects of the school today. Speaking at the sidelines, P. Sarachandra expressed disappointment that alumni of the school pursuing higher education in Manipur University are being deprived of education for over 4 months now. The secretary also appeals to release all the arrested teachers and students of the university.
Fajinduna Tamliba was asking Amadi, student Shingshu, Tadok Piro, on suspension the Ladiba, was asking Shu, Hangat Piduna University, Mahushagi, normal lifetime to Hanjin Biu, Sarkargi Shaitaki, Nuaitaba, low and order Yakabaka Legasu, Punima say, is answering Actani, Tungi Umbiran Actani, have shaken Biraga, among Tang Nakpiduna, Angang Shings, Amadi was asking a Shibu, Punchida, Tangduleta, Punchimam, Tangwahin Biu, Hosi Manipur University, Irang, Shibulushan Bina Bagitamakta, Manipur Yahanagi, Chief Secretary, Jarnail Singh, Lingbirakuna, Manipur University, she normal life, Hanjanabgi Damakta, Hone Bigani, Amadi Honebiri, Habishi, Kuitaji, Mashi Amna Nungaiji.
People took out a mass rally on a theme unifying our voices for bird conservation in connection with World Migratory Birds Day 2018 today. Chief Conservator of Forests CCF T.H. Mohendra Pratap flagged off the rally from Charoibung in Mayang Imphal. Central Forest Division, Thaubal Forest Division and Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWPC jointly organized the rally spreading awareness on conservation of migratory birds. After passing through various areas, the rally finally concluded at Puja Mandop in Mayang Imphal Bazaar, where a public meeting was convened and discourse on the day's theme. DFO Central Forest R.K. Amarjit, Central Forest Conservator Joy Kumar, DFO Thaubal L. Devala, Kakching Ranger Officer M. Munal, students and members of various local clubs attended the event. 2 publicity vehicles spreading awareness on the significance of migratory birds and urging people not to kill the birds were also flagged off on the occasion.
पृथ्वी की क्वाइट की मरुब ecosystem की ख्वाइदगी मरुइबा एजेंडा पोइरिबा उचेक सिंगसे मसिना लौरिबा थौदांग सिंगसे अखोइ पुनमक खंगमिनदुना मिचम प्रजा दगी लेबिरिबा इमा इबेन चिनिनाव उचेक सिंग साथसे पुनमक लगी खंगमिनरकांदा अखोइगी माना लौरिबा उचेक सिंगसेना लौरिबा थौदांग सिंगसे अखोइ मियोइबगी ग्रह सिबो प्लानेट अर्थ सिबो अखोइगी मसा फना थंबदा लौरिबा थौदांग सिंगसे अखोइ पुनः खंगमिनरगा उचेक सिंगसे हातपा तुप्पा तौरिबा चथरिबा अखोइ मरुइना मणिपुर की लोकताक पाट के कोइबदा अदगी पाट सिंगल लेरिबा सिंगसिदा तौरिबा सिलेपसी.
Commissioner of the State Transport Department M. Lakshmi Kumar has stated that entry of vehicles will be banned in some areas of Thangal market to ease traffic congestion. He also intimated that godowns of the market will be opened up. The commissioner was speaking in the 15th Foundation Day of Institute of Driver Training and Research Center IDTRC today. He mentioned that there are around 3 lakh people who own vehicles in the state, leading to traffic congestion. He also said parking lots will be built above the drainages in the market. A new website of IDTRC was also launched on the occasion. Angamba Disabled People's Organization observed its 5th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. The organization, formed by disabled individuals, aims for an inclusive and accessible society. Environmentalist Sapna Laishram, chairperson of North East Zonal Rehabilitation Council of India, Laishram Tokendra, renowned singer Tingbaijam Bipin Chandra, and many eminent persons attended the event. A painting competition in relation to Police Commemoration Day was held on a theme to salute the supreme sacrifice of police personnel who lost their life defending the sovereignty, security and maintenance of law and order in sacrifice of the nation in Bishnupur district today. Bishnupur Police and Loktak Police organized the event at Mayang Mangamba Community Hall. Around 120 students of 23 schools under the 2 police stations took part in the competition. Nambol Police also conducted a painting competition for the students on the theme Thawai Katkraba Athoba Singh at Korifaba Laibung in Nambol today. A team of More police under the supervision of SP Technopol arrested a suspected cadre of proscribed outfit KCP MFL in More today. The team led by SDPO More Police Station Sandeep Gopal Das arrested the suspect from More Gate number 2 around 8 this morning. The arrested person is identified as Wahengbam Krishan Kumar, 25 years, son of Tomba from Nambol Ishok. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Jirbam Police under the supervision of SDPO Jirbam Police Station TH Thana Tomba seized huge amount of contraband drugs from a truck bearing Nagaland registration number. The police team led by ASI A. Krishna came across the truck bearing registration number NL01L3561 while conducting frisking operation at Jiribam railway station around noon today. The police team seized 32,000 SP capsules and 12,010 tablets which were concealed inside packaged flour in gunny bags among the iron rods loaded on the truck. A case was registered with relevant police station for further investigation. Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police has arrested additional director of the Fisheries Department H. Biramani under the accusation of corruption. He was arrested from his residence at Naremthong, Laistram Leirak around 4 p.m. yesterday. Important documents: 2.32 pistols, 6 magazines, 84 live rounds, 1 gold bar, 3,06,040 rupees cash and 2 mobile handsets were recovered from him. It may be mentioned that investigations are underway against the additional director since June this year on various allegations against him regarding misappropriation of government funds. Three localities of Lamdeng Khunau have banned disposal of waste in the solid waste management plant at Lamdeng Khunau since October 10. Waste accumulated from in and around Imphal city were disposed at the solid waste management plant situated in Imphal West district for quite some time now. Speaking to media, local residents reported that the waste accumulated in the area have caused great inconveniences to the local residents. They expressed apprehension over outbreak of an epidemic from the fields collected in the area. Many locals were recently inflicted with an uncertain kind of skin disease. Unable to bear the stench from the piling garbages, the residents appeals to the relevant authority to shift the plants to some other location.
Bazaar manung city nanu honabam tamda Lamdeng Khungang siloina bazaar miyam se leiba yadaba condition lama oibadagi solid waste management plan asi akoina matam khara amol akai hana leiba amol akai si loidi phogdi bazaar dagi amol akai puchanba yaru haina matam khara khoi gari asi lefan bani aduna maram oiraga Lamdeng da tawbirba solid waste plan asi mafam chaba amadu hongtokpi haina sarkar gi maigaida amadi mari leiba department singda akoi khanghanjari.
Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar has urged private hospitals of the state to stop squeezing money from patients they cannot treat by admitting them to ICU. He was speaking in the 3rd Foundation Day celebration of Horizon Hospital and Research Institute in Porompat today. Y. Joy Kumar also appeals such hospitals to inform families of patients whether they can treat the patient or not in advance. The Deputy Chief Minister stressed the need for fully functional private hospitals with proper research centers in addition to the government hospitals in the state. He advised the people of the state to get proper treatment on time to avoid further complications. Taking part in the event, MLA Khurai El Sushindro stated that Horizon Hospital, which is fully equipped, is one of the best hospitals for treatment of eye-related ailments in the state.
Merely hospital, the research work, Mari Lainaba, Machi Amasi, Yam Satina Koi Aikamada, Yam Daka, or Brian Kali. A Kogi, government labor, hospitals, Aduga, Ediba, medical colleges, college Mayamama. See the Susimasi Lerangani, Adu, I give observation of the Pogadi, high fields data in Kamada. Akoina Yohanimba, Tak, Adugo Tonubu, Yom Brian Kali. Patients took the woman with Rangamoira, I said, Masisu, Yimbiga, Namoida Worgadi, sitting no more. High but particular patient with treatment, the type of treatment required the adult who refer to say, Masisu Daka or Brian Kali. Merely hospital, the capital that of that current research work, Mari Lainaba, Machi Amasi, Yam Satina Koi Aikamada, Yam Daka or Brian Kali.
One-day legal awareness program was held in the conference hall of Royal Academy of Law, Nambol, Oinam today. The academy held the program under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Service Authority. Speaking in the event as a resource person, Additional SP Operation Bishnupur Police K.H. Manihar asserted that law is for the public and police are there to safeguard the people. He urged all police personnel not to misconduct behind the uniform. Academy Principal I. Jugeshwar Oinam Municipal Council Chairperson N. Sanahal, Advocate Tej Kumar Ngangom and students attend the event.
Government service amadi government da mamonda sinaba loinana public service police ka sing matawde public daiba public maki surrounding laiba maki lam area da laiba mipung kinoti life sector protectable akhoi mi yo ona ta ai subject ai prajao ai laiba ai society ko kai ba phataba kana gumba social elements ani kai gumba social ki oiba apagi ani phataba crime kya di sen ba mi yo kya di makhutagi makai service adu makai life.
Persecution branch under the supervision of SP Imphal West, Jogesh Chandra Hawijam, conducted a workshop on POCSO, Perspective Investigation and Aspect of Trial at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles today. Men and women police officers and investigating officers of various districts took part in the workshop. Manipur State Panchayat Parishad Porampad organized a one-day Panchayat Sammelan at Panchayat Bhavan in Porampad DC complex today. The conference discussed on how to fully implement Panchayati Raj institutions in the state. Manipur State Panchayat Parishad President O. Ibojao, Vice President L. Roshan, P. Bimola, Advisor Dr. N. Irabanta, Manipur State Panchayat Parishad executive members and many people attended the event. The 92nd birth anniversary of renowned artist Rajkumar Chandra Jitsana, popularly known as RKCS, was celebrated at RKCS Art Gallery in Kashamthong today. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar led the people in paying floral tributes at the portrait of the legendary artist. It may be mentioned that paintings of RKCS are not only renowned to our land but in over 20 countries. He set up a gallery in 2003 dedicated to the culture and history of a state at his residence in Kashamthong, Top Leirak. He wanted the youths to see the images which he had seen with his own eyes and which could not be captured by camera. The legend, who lived for 81 years, was once honored with fellowship by Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Silpa Bhushan and Manipuri State Kala Academy. Minister Jayantakumar also displayed hands and feet prints of RKCS to the public on the occasion. Winners of a painting competition held on October 8 in relation to the birth anniversary were also felicitated in the event. The two-day teachers training program under Rotary Club's Teach program of Rotary India Literacy Mission concluded today. Rotary Club of Imphal, Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal and the Directorate of Education S jointly organized the program at Rotary Multi-Service Center of Rotary Club of Imphal in Mantripukri since October 12. School teachers who participated in the training program were honored with Certificate of Appreciation by Rotary Club of Imphal on the concluding day today. Newly elected executive members for General Headquarters of Comrem Students Union KRSU Manipur sworn in at Grace Academy in Tarung village. Among Serto took vow as Comrem Union President, while KRSU new President Karung Jim Kom and General Secretary L. Onyx Kom and 14 other members took vow in the event. A business development program as part of India Postal Week launched on October 9 was held at the post office in Babupara today. Speaking at the sidelines, Assistant Superintendent of the Post Office K.I. Singh said the program was conducted to raise awareness regarding various governmental schemes provided through Post Office for small-time entrepreneurs. The Postal Week will conclude on October 15.
Business product bayam si manungda government gi department makaina maruena seasonary ba book now pay later BNP la hana khangna basni masida khoina ahan bada paisa pidana kona paisa piba madugi facilities ni facilities da khoina pick up service lei amasung masina bulk mail oina tharpa matamda maduda paisa taaba khotpa mayam amasu lei punamak asi akhoi hariba ngasi gi numira sida customer mayam ama lengsilaga akhoi office da leire madu akoina mokoi bu karamba mongda mokoi gi service da akhoi service da amasung mokoi gi business da akhoi gi mong murin tana afaba maikai da progna bu gi dong ta akhoi ngasi pangthok sabani.
Dynamic Manipur and Communication Capacity Development Unit CCDU PHED Manipur jointly organized a talk show on a theme Sustainable Lifestyle Waste Free. The show was organized to imprint a young audience with the idea of entrepreneurship. Taking part in the program, Langai Project CEO Telem Arun Kumar stressed the importance of public inclusion in developing a sustainable economy. Sandokpam Itombi of JS Plastic Agency gave insights on how to reuse plastic materials on the occasion.
The higher program say yamna uziki matam yam channel program haitare at the right time. Koi sinjabe program ni magi themes na koi ki sustainable lifestyle and waste free. Uziki recently koi board urban gisu rural gisu koi ki ODF in lauthokre Manipur ko ina. The lauthoga the nale haibaga si leraga talk tanaba haitare continuity lainaba kamai sustain to na regain to na retain to na hai myam sagi questions of program.
DM College of Commerce Alumni Association, in collaboration with Jennings Blood Bank, organized a one-day free voluntary blood donation camp at its campus today. Speaking to media, President of the association, Dr. C. Mary Thomas, stated that voluntary blood donation in the country, including Manipur, is comparatively lesser to the rest of the world. He also stressed the need to aware the youth on the significance of blood donation, which can save a person's life.
The donation of blood is below normal from other states and other countries, and so we are concerned about this, and we want to donate blood to save life. We have been mobilizing our students, and we have been spreading this awareness, and we have been trying to implant in them the importance of donating blood and the importance of spreading humanity, spreading awareness, and also spreading love and concern for all the needs of blood in our society.
54 Battalion BSF under the aegis of Sector Headquarter Border Security Force Koirenge conducted a free medical camp at SMI Orphanage Home, Chorchandpur today. Camp medical officer and supporting staff of 54 Battalion BSF provided consultation and free medicines to the inmates of the orphanage. Sports items were also distributed to the children during the camp held as a part of BSF's Civic Action Program. Retired IPS Sarangthem Dinod Kumar has inaugurated a new footwear store of Khadims at Khongkham Enterprises, Sega Road, Kongjeng, Hazari Laikai this morning. Briefing media, Deputy Manager Sales for Northeast State of Khadims, Somit Bhattacharya, conveyed that the store is the 11th store of the company in the state. He also expressed gratitude for the rising customers of the brand in Manipur.
This is our 11th store at Manipur. And currently, as Khadim, there are 750 plus stores in all over India, and we are growing up successfully. Crowd of Manipur is very good. The customer purchase, buying behavior of customer is also very good. If something they love to buy, they can buy without seeing the price also. And as per Khadim is concerned, we assure our customer to give the best product and best service all over India.
Now the sports news. Kickboxer Yambem Gobin has displayed a formidable feat of 119 knuckle push-up in 1 minute, beating previous world record of 107 per minute during the Guinness World Records attempt held in the indoor stadium of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Govind dethroned the reigning record of 490 single elbow strike in 3 minutes by accumulating 713 single elbow strikes in 3 minutes. While in jumping jack event, Govind set a record of 58 jumping jacks in 30 seconds, beating the previous record of 53 in 30 seconds. MSRRDA Assistant Engineer Digin Tingangbam, Imphal East Daiso Y. Boni, Vice President of Karate Association of India, Kiran Kumar Thangjam, Physical Education Teacher O. Janata, Y. Sunita of Imphal East PET as timekeeper, and many eminent persons attended the event. Govind was born on March 3, 1991 to Y. Navadip and late Yambem Ongbi Tamfa from Kwakaitel Kongjen, Laikai. He started kickboxing in 2003 under the guidance of coach Umakanta. Speaking on the occasion, Govind intimated that he could not join many tournaments due to financial constraint. He hoped for his latest feat to fulfill his goal.
Aina hamna kickback the use tawjabani rules tabudi kickback ju yawe ado kickback se use taw matam je forearm yawe na hairapa forearm jina pale forearm jina pale gadi nangi je seng har gadi nangi je lowdre amba ko ado nang yaragadi adogi mamangi course ju lawri ju khara expert oiba watle ado nangi proof certificate tharak ju watle expert witnessing ge ado nang yaraga result jam application nauna Tharaga attempt to row and Togimni. Aduga Nasi 3 minutes Kisi Aina Han Mamanga Ani Tazan given applications. So then Adu Anima except Adugi Kudong Sablo Nasi Tosam Javni, Natragadi and application tab the Mamang Tagito, Tanim application lack of the assembly.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla calls to tap potentials of the youth through skill development, says India is heading towards becoming world's fastest growing economy. Second State Conference on Campaign for Electoral Reforms in India, CERI, held at Hotel Imphal, calls for proportional electoral representation. Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shamkumar says export of Andhra liquor will start this December. People take out mass rally on unifying our voices for bird conservation in connection with World Migratory Bird Day 2018. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar urges private hospitals of the state to stop squeezing money from patients they cannot treat by admitting them to ICU. And kickboxer Yambem Govind beats existing records of 1-minute knuckle push-up, 3-minute single elbow strike and 30 seconds jumping jack in Guinness World Records attempt.